to get
part of it is I throw out a bunch of low offers all the time.
Yeah.
And then I can just like transfer it. Like sometimes I'll buy stuff, but if I have clients that are looking for something,
Yeah.
I'll just like give them the deal.
That's awesome.
And it's it's pretty cool. Like, cause you're right, like that's super rare.
Not.
Hey guys, always an exciting day in the real estate world when you have a closing. Super excited. Buddy from high school is closing on his first property, and so we're gonna go on in and see what's up.
Hi. How y'all doing? Yeah.
I've done most of my closings up here.
Really?
So, yeah.
Oh, cool. Did you choose this, or did the sellers choose?
Sellers, yeah.
Okay.
They're pretty popular, man.
Yeah.
So I've got these duplex buyers.
Okay.
And New Western just released one for $225.
Oh wow. In
Which
Austin?
I'm assuming it needs a ton of work.
Yeah, probably.
But I'm gonna go check it out for Tristan.
Cool. Tristan didn't get the one that he offered on last week?
Went $5,000 over.
Oh boy. And he offered?
Asking.
Asking.
And they had multiple offers.
Yeah.
So
What are you gonna do?
you can't push them, but
Right.
it's like if you have multiple offers, you have to go over.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's weird, like, I mean, we could have gone over six or seven over and got it. You know, it's like you try not to do these.
Yeah,
like 5
you never
or 10.
know. Oh yeah, because
Everyone's like, oh, do 5 or 10. We do
Do
like
it the-
6
no,
or like
number.
500.
right. Yeah. Hey, bud.
What's up, Andrew?
How are
He
you?
brought his own coffee.
Classy.
I take this everywhere, bro.
I would have dressed totally differently.
Am I in your
had
spot?
I- You're totally fine. I was just
Okay.
gonna say
How's
hi.
it going?
Christina Brinsky.
That's on. Nice to meet
you. Hey, Matt.
How are
It's good
you?
to see you. I
You
like
too.
your hat.
Thanks, appreciate it.
And I'm Andrew. Hi.
Very
Good to meet
nice
you.
to meet you.
Are you okay with being on film?
Yeah, no, it's totally fine. I was just like, gosh, I don't know what's going on. This is the second time this has happened in a couple weeks.
Wow. Other people are catching on.
3.375. That's awesome. Interest rate. Let's go.
Okay, so we'll start right here where you see loan information. You're getting a 30-year fixed rate conventional loan. Loan terms are right underneath there, so loan amount's $204,250. Interest rate is 3.375%. Monthly principal and interest payments $902.98. No prepayment penalties, no balloon payments. Your total monthly payment is what you're going to see in the middle section there. So it shows years 1 through 9 with your mortgage insurance and your escrows. So 15/31/42, and then years 10 through 30 with that mortgage insurance dropping off.
Cool.
Escrow is going to pay property tax, property insurance bills. You'll pay HOA directly to the HOA company.
Okay.
Then bottom of the page shows closing cost and then your cash to close. And did you wire your cash to close, or did you bring a check with you?
Yeah, they're supposed to be wiring it.
Okay, well, before you leave, I'll check and just
Okay.
make sure all the money's here. So this shows sales price of $215,000. It lists your closing cost total there. Line 11 is a credit you're giving to the seller since they've paid the HOA dues through the month.
Okay.
Section L is going to be all credits to you, so you're getting a credit for your earnest money deposit, credit for your loan amount. Line 5 is credit from the seller per the contract.
Yep.
6 is credit from the seller for the title insurance, and line 8 is going to be credit from the seller for the option money. And then of course, lines 15 and 16 are the credits for the rent and the deposit for the current tenant. Line 13 is credit from the seller for their portion of the property tax bill.
Okay.
So they're giving you the credit through closing. Your escrow account will pay the full bill when it comes due at the end of the year.
Cool. date on that one.
Same here. And then this one's the deed of trust. Matt, it was good to see you.
Appreciate
Bye,
it.
thank you. Congrats.
It was great.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Hey guys, Travis, EHSAN here. We just closed EHSAN's first house.
Let's go.
Yeah, baby. And the reason that I want to talk a little bit is because I think we got a really sweet deal, and just want to kind of get y'all's perspective. Basically, the deal terms are, we got $4,000 in closing costs.
Yep.
You got us on 3.375 interest rate, and we're $20,000 below the appraised price, which is really rare in Austin. So, you know, if you guys have any thoughts, or how did y'all even get teamed up together?
I think EHSAN's been a member with us at the credit union for at least a few years, if not longer
Pretty
than
sure
that.
my dad's been with you guys since I was born, so
Yeah,
26 years now.
Yeah, it helps a lot. He has fantastic credit, so no late payments. That's always the key, but good credit, and then he got us everything we needed on time, and we've been teed up now for about 4 or 5 days before closing, so.
Yeah,
What
me and
was
Travis had been in contact since like last May, but just being on top of it, keeping in touch with them, so.
How did this compare to what you thought buying a house would be like?
We moved very quickly with the team here, with the Tree Homes. They always have their eyes on it, so when the offer came by, he sent it over to me. I was like, let's do it, let's jump on it real quick. So
Nice.
but yeah, it's been good.
Cool. Yeah, and you know, the whole point, you know, I'm a big believer in having a good team, and
Absolutely.
I think, you know, this perfect transaction was an example of getting it below value, having a great lender that can get you a good rate.
Yeah.
I mean, it's super rare to buy a house in Austin that could actually be a good rental, and you already got that.
Yeah,
So I'm excited for you, man.
appreciate it.
Yeah. And we got a couple podcasts coming up, so we'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, just got back from looking at a duplex over in East Austin. It was from New Western. $225,000 was the purchase price. It needed a lot more work than I was expecting. I've got 2 clients looking for duplexes, so I thought it could be a good option. We're doing a podcast today with a special guest. We have an exciting announcement coming up. And then tomorrow we're going to be doing a Aggie Real Estate Network presentation, and we're excited to bring you guys along that journey.